Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chukunonso Captures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Shout out to all my clients out there. You are appreciated. Special thanks to all the models and muses out there. You keep me inspired. One love to all of my supporters on social media. You keep me going. Alright, so you click on this thumbnail link because you wanted to know how to do levitation photography, right? So this is another picture from my my annual sunflower field photo shoot, right? And let me know in the comment section below if you want to be involved in the next photo shoot. So I do it every year in the summertime. It's in Jersey, that's where I usually go. Might start doing one in Connecticut, but either way, it's a really easy concept, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Shout out to Davina, shout out to Anya for being a part of this. So I basically just, well, you'll see in the picture. I basically just had them kind of like take a seat and then kind of like be in like this really peaceful meditative pose. And yeah, I just edited the picture. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how I edit that picture, and let me know what you think about it. All right, so I'm going to jump straight into my laptop and we're going to make it happen. All right, okay. All right, follow me. Let's go. All right, welcome to my laptop screen. So again, we have the amazing models, Davina and Anya here. So I asked them to just, to strike this this meditation pose. And so we have them here. They have a great, on camera, just black sisterhood chemistry going on. And they are vibrating high and just good vibes, beautiful day, bright sunny day, sunshine, sunflowers, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to show you how to edit this picture, to do a levitation edit. And I did one, I'm not sure which order I'm going to release the videos in, but either before or after this, I did a video where I showed you guys how to levitate Anya. She was basically, she was standing on a chair and she was kind of like floating upwards holding an umbrella, right? This one's a little bit more simple, really only requires like one step, whereas the other one you kind of have to do a few things to make her toes point and things like that. But this one is pretty easy. All I really have to do, and I don't even think, I did take a picture of just the plain background, but there's enough of the other, the ground here for me to just work on. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna throw a mask, not a mask, I'm gonna throw a blank layer on this, right? And I'm gonna zoom in. This edit's gonna be pretty easy. Where is the navigator? Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in and I'm just gonna start sampling parts of the background and just making the chair disappear, all right? So all you gotta do is just be careful not to create too many patterns. Where we at? So we'll get the healing brush tool and you just hit the Alt button like that. Sample current and below, okay. And you just start replacing stuff. And what I like to do is get a little bit from each side. That way you're not creating too much of a pattern. It kind of looks, a little bit more natural, because if you place in the same thing over and over again, you get this weird looking like line of a pattern, and you can tell that it's fake, like this is not natural growth of a plant. But I try to like come and get from other sides like that, the way it looks real. What we're doing here, I'm gonna soften this up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna fast forward this, but you guys get the idea. All right, we're back. We are back. I just wanted to take a quick moment. I think I forgot to mention what exactly I was doing. So I'm holding down Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC, and I'm just kind of alternating. You know what I'm saying? Take from here, put it over here, take from here, put it over here. That way it looks a little bit more natural, and if I make a few parts that look like it's too much of a pattern, then I will go back. All right, so I'm gonna go back and fast forward again. right, we're back. We are back. And so now that I've done that, now that I'm getting closer to an interface where her body is, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna harden the brush. That way, it's not so blurry. I'm not getting such a blurry, you know, interface between the background and her body then, because then it's gonna be this blur there and it's gonna not look real. So I just hardened the brush a little bit. And what I'm gonna start doing is, let me make it smaller by hitting the left bracket key. And I'm just gonna carefully, before I had a soft brush, but now I'm gonna hold Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC, and I'm just gonna carefully start cleaning up this interface. See, because if I had look at this, a softer brush, see how blurry it is? Let me just show you, you know, it's like that. But if, let me hit Command Z to undo that. But if I have a harder brush, let me see, hardness, then you can create a much smoother line, you know what I'm saying? And of course you see the actual circle itself, but all you gotta do is touch it again with a smaller, softer brush, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward.
Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up?
All right, we're back. We are back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Quick and dirty. That's really all we need. I mean, it looks pretty good right now. I mean, I guess what we could do is like throw a layer on, throw like almost kind of like a filter on this. But I kind of like the way this looks. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below if you prefer the way it looks now or what I'm gonna do next. So let me first double click this to turn it into a layer, and then I'm gonna drop all these into a group. Shift, boom, boom, put it in this group, right? And then I'm gonna duplicate this and work on this duplicated layer, convert it to a smart object, and this one right here will be my backup, and then this one is the one that I'll try to make a filter on. See, and if I don't like it, then I'll just go back to the backup. So camera off filter is what I selected.
Why do I need to be good?
Okay, very good. Good stuff. What are we doing here? So I'm going to get some of these presets. Deep skin, like this, medium skin. Let's see. In the comment section, do you like light PLO2? I kind of like it. I don't like the way it looks. Or do you like, I kind of like some of these retro ones. Let me remove PLO2. Okay, it's not there anymore. Ooh, cinematic. Maybe cinematic ones. These are cool. Alright, I'm going to pick this futuristic one, Futuristic 5, because it's like very bright, saturated, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to hit the OK button. So this is what it looked like before. I'm not letting it move it out the way, but that's fine. You can kind of see it before and afterwards. Boom, it applied the settings. Alright, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. So this is after, this is before, after, before. Let me know in the comment section which one you like better. Let's see which one I'm going to post. Maybe the before one. Alright, well check me out on IG and see which one I post on IG. Alright, thanks guys. Take care, and shout out to Davina, and shout out to Anya for being such good sports and creative participants in this. Thanks.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that Photoshop tutorial. I know I sure did. So if this tutorial helped you out at all, understand a little bit more about Photoshop,
Please like the video and leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite part of it was or what you think about levitation photography in general. So please share this video with a friend. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video because you've subscribed, right? Please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. All your support of this YouTube channel goes a really long way. Thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next YouTube video. Thanks.